Today I will discuss the exercise 11.10.1. Exercise 10.1. And first question is, draw a quadrilateral in a Cartesian plane whose vertices are given, also find its area. A quadrilateral in a Cartesian plane. So, to draw the Cartesian plane, this is the coordinate axis, x-axis, and this is the y-axis. And point is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have the point -4, comma 5. Second point is 0, comma 7. And third point is 5, minus 5. And one fourth point is -4, minus 4. So -4, x equal to -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and y equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where they meet, that is the point. This point is the E. Okay, and d equal to x equal to 0, y equal to 7. So 5, 6, 7. This point is the D. And C, x equal to 5, y equal to -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point is the C. And last point is D, that is x equal to -4. This is x equal to -4 and y equal to -4. This point is the D. Now join AB, CD, this is the quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane. Also find its area. So how we find the area of that plane? As we know the area of triangle formula. So to find the area of this, you can join them. Join AC. Now area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. It is equal to 1 by 2 x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3, it is y1 minus y2. By using this formula, you can find the area of that one, where point is A, B, C is given. It is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So now put the value. 1 by 2, x1 minus 4, y2 minus y3. y2 is 7 minus 5 plus 5 plus x2, 0 into something 0, leave it, plus x3 equal to 5 in bracket y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, 5 minus the bracket. So this can be 1 by 2 minus 4 into 12 plus 5 into minus 2. 1 by 2 in bracket. Minus 48 minus 10. That is half into minus 59. 58. This is minus 29. Since area of triangle B never negative, so area of triangle ABC, this equal to 29 square unit. Dear student, similarly we can find the area of triangle ACD. Coordinate of ACD are given. You can apply same formula and use the and add the both area of triangle. You will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now, second question is, the base of an equilateral triangle with side 2A lies along the y-axis such that midpoint of base is at the origin and vertices, find the vertices of the triangle. This is a very good question. This is the coordinate axis. The base of an equilateral triangle of side 2A lies along the y-axis. This is the y-axis. So, suppose this base BC, it is the base, and midpoint of the base is on the origin. It means this is the point A. It is the equilateral triangle. So this side is 2A also, this is also 2A, and it is also 2A. So find the coordinate of the, so what is the coordinate here? As you know, this is the A and this is the A. So x equal to 0 and y equal to A. And coordinate of C is x equal to 0 and this equal to minus A. Now, in triangle, this is the O, ABO. In triangle ABO, angle O equal to 90 degree. It means you can use here the Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. So 2A square equal to OA, you need to find, it is OA square. So OA square equal to 4A square minus A square, OA square equal to 3A square and OA equal to plus minus root 3A. So the coordinate of this one is the x equal to root 3A gamma 0. So question is that find the coordinate of the equilateral triangle ABC. Dear student, similarly you can solve the remaining other question of the exercise 10.1. Thank you.